In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix VC runtime 140_1.dll missing or not found in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, the best match should appear. Please click on the open option to continue. So in a few moments, you will be redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself. Please wait until everything are set here before we continue to the process. Now, once the search bar would be available, please type for Microsoft Visual C++. Then click on the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. Okay, so you can see their first result, which is the under Microsoft.com website. Please click on it so that you can get the latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads. So here you can see this kind of window. Please scroll down on the list, and under this table you can see the architecture, the link aligning to it or assigned to it, as well as the notes. So before proceeding on the downloading of this link, we need to identify first our OS or operating system as well as the system type. So how we can identify if we have x86, x64, or ARM64. So at the bottom search bar here, type for info. Once you've typed it, the system information would be appearing. Please click on open so that you can bring up its window. So from here, you can see the operating system name, where you can identify whether you have Windows 11, Windows 10, or so on. And under this system type, you can identify whether if you have ARM64, x86, or x64 based PC. So once you have identified it, click the link that is being assigned to it. So if you have ARM64, then click on the link aligning to it. If you have x86, then click the second link. If you have x64, then click on the third link. So mostly Windows 11 has x64 based PC. So click on this link. In my case, I have already downloaded such, okay? So if you will be able, if you would check my installed apps, you can see there Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, meaning I have already installed it. But in your case, the reason why you get an error is that it is missing to your Windows. So click on this link, wait until it would be done, install it in the Windows, and once you have installed it, your problem, which is your VC runtime 140_1.dll, which is missing, would be fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.